Welcome. If you want to fix control buttons problems in your Grand Battle Royale game, at the first you have to tap on the settings icon and then go for the controls. And when you are here, you can click to reset and all the controls will be removed to the default. We have to apply, but also we can go right here, do the same, and we can manually change it. As you can see, we have to click, hold, and then just drag on the other side. We can also make these icons bigger or smaller. It depends on what you want to make. I always move this shooter icon because it pisses me off when I try to move, jump, and I accidentally tap on the shooting icon. And when you click apply, and I will land, and I will show you how it looks. Let's go on the ground. As you can see, that's how our controller buttons changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.